Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss list all the interfaces or at least 5 interfaces that you know in Selenium. This is also one of the most asked interview question. They just want to see what are the interfaces which you are using in your framework and if you have worked or not. Okay. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So I have webdriver driver equal to new driver. This is a famous interface. Let me click on F3. If you have anything like public interface and you are an interface name, this itself is an interface. So what is interface actually? So let's see the definition. The interface is completely abstract class that is used to group related method with empty bodies. Get is a method, right? But we don't have a body. There is no open bracket, open flower bracket and close flower bracket. Let us see one more. See, get current URL. There is no open flower bracket and close flower. Let me write this as 1. So I'll just comment it here and I'll write 1, comma. Let us see another interface. So what is the search context? Public interface search. So this is also another interface. Search context. You can actually search with interface here. Find interface. So options is an interface. If you want to add cookie is there. Add cookie is a method, but there is no open flower bracket, close flower bracket. You can take this also. Options. Let me add it here. I'm giving practically what are the interfaces present in Selenium. Timeouts is also an interface. Okay, so timeouts, there is no definition for this method. Of close bracket is not there. So timeouts is also an interface. You can add this here. Target locator, this is also another interface. Okay, let me add this 5. We can add more if you want. Okay, let us do one more. Okay. So navigation is an interface. So void back, void forward. So we have seen WebDriver, search context, target locator, navigation are the few interfaces that are present in Selenium. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.